Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error if you see that the application is unable to start correctly and the OX error that ends in 005. So let's get started right away. Now, whenever you are trying to run any application, you might get this kind of error telling you to close the application. If this is the case, then one of the main reasons for this error is because the .NET framework and the Visual Studio Plus applications are not installed on your PC. So in order to fix this, open up your web browser and type in .NET download and start your search. Once you find the download.net link, go ahead and click on it and then click on the .NET Framework download button. Once you click on download.NET Framework, it will show you all of the different versions that are available for the .NET application. You will need to install all of these in order to avoid any future error. So click on them individually to download the installer and install it by opening it up and clicking through the next buttons. Once you have installed all of the versions of the .NET framework, you will also need to install the VC Redistributable. So just type in VC REDIST all in one and start your search once again. You will now see the Visual C++ Redistributables all in one installer. Go ahead and click on it and then download this file, where you will find all of the versions of the Visual C++ Redistributable. Open up the Install All batch window, and now this will begin the installation of all of the Visual C++ Redistributable packages. After you have installed all of these software, you can try running your application once again, and your issues will now be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the application can't start correctly issue on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.